I have these love decor signs that I found from Dollar Tree. Sometimes they have them in other words, like the word home. I'm going to be using 4 of these, and I'm just removing the jute hanger off the back side of the sign. And I'm going to be painting 2 of them with some Wise Owl Snow Owl. And you want to make sure you're painting around the edges of the sign as well, just making sure you give good coverage. And then I'm going to set those 2 aside to fully dry. On the next 2, I'm going to take my General Finishes Antique Walnut Gel Stain and a Gen Foam brush, and I'm just going to apply the gel stain to these 2. Now you could pick any colors of your choice, whatever matches your decor at home. And after you have the gel stain on, you want to just take a paper towel and just rub in any excess. And when you rub in the gel stain, it just allows that wood grain to pop through. Now, I'm not really sure these are real wood. It may be a particle board of some type with a wood finish on top. And I did the same exact thing with the second one. I have these 4 heart cutouts that I also got from Dollar Tree in a pack, and I'm going to paint those using some Wise Owl Snow Owl and Republic Red mixed together, and then you want those to fully dry. Once dry, I'm going to glue the heart on the back side of the love word so that it's covering the heart cutout. And then you see this really pretty pink in the cutout of the word. I'm going to take my first word, one of the stained ones, and I'm going to place it upside down and backwards, and I'm going to apply some hot glue. And then I'm going to take my second word painted in white and lay that on top so that they attach. Now, this should lay nicely when gluing the heart to the back side of the word. Just make sure it's not in the way of where you will place these pieces. I'm then going to lay the love word painted in white face down, and I'm going to take the second stained piece and attach that to the other side so that both stained pieces are across from each other, and you want to make sure the letters are also in the same direction. And then I'm going to take my last word left, which is the one painted in white, and I'm going to apply some hot glue to the edges of the 2 stained pieces, and then I'll lay that last word down on top. So we're basically just making a little box out of the 4 love words that we have. And they should all lay nice and flat. I have this square unfinished piece of wood I got from Hobby Lobby, and I'm just going to glue it on whatever end I decide is going to be the bottom. And this is what we have so far. This looks nice if I were to paint the other side of the word as well, but I knew I was going to use some scrapbook paper. I got this from Hobby Lobby. It's just black with the white hearts, and I'm just cutting them so that they're the same size as the love words. So I will need 4 pieces of those. I'm then going to take some hot glue and add some glue to the bottom of my first strip and attach it to the inside of the little box that we made. And then I'll also glue the top piece down. And I went around and did that to all sides of inside the box, and this just kind of gave it a nice finishing touch. You can add a piece of burlap, you can add just a plain white or black background, really anything of your choice. And there we go, and I'm just going to use this to store some artificial flowers inside. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Paint products, tissue paper, transfers, and mesh stencils can all be found on our webpage at chalkitupfancy.com. And don't forget, you can also check out other tutorials on our webpage as well. Have a great day.